If you've closed your TikTok account and want to reopen it, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Go to the login screen. On the main screen, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. If you're already logged in, log out to access the login screen. Step 3. Select Login. On the login screen, tap on the Login button. You will see options to log in using your email, phone number, or other social media accounts. Step 4. Enter your credentials. Choose the method you use to create your account. Enter your email address or phone number and the password associated with your account. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 5. Follow the prompts. If your account is eligible for reopening, you will receive prompts to confirm your identity and restore your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you've completed these steps, your TikTok account should be reopened and you can start using it again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TikTok support for further assistance.